first of all, if you see a beautiful math result, it just makes you happy for a long time.
Totally, I agree. I actually have a question to ask
Yes.
you. I think this is beneficial for a lot of students out there.
Yeah.
Can you talk about how to avoid grad school? But in another word, grad school is better than undergrad, especially in math.
I think so.
Yeah. So not only you have a PhD in math,
Yes.
you also speak 5 languages.
Yes.
What the hell, Payam? I'm struggling with like 2 languages. Okay, let's do some more for fun. Today I will show you guys who the Quo Chen Lu is. And yes, this is the baby of Chen Lu and the Prada Lu. So let me just write down a statement right here for you guys first. It says, if today you have to differentiate f over g, and of course they are functions of x, this right here, what you have to do first is square the denominator g. And then on the top, you are going to have g times f prime, and then you minus f times g prime. And this right here is the Quo Chen Lu. But unfortunately, some calculus textbooks, they don't like this so much. So they call this to be the Quotient Rule. Oh well, you know, we just have to deal with this. Sometimes they just don't like the Chen Lu, the Prada Lu, the Quotient Lu neither. So when you see this in your calculus textbook or some other website, they mean the Quotient Lu, all right? And as I said, this right here is the baby of Chen Lu and the Prada Lu. So I'll show you guys how to prove this right here by using those 2 things. So here we go. This right here is just a quick proof. So let's go ahead and differentiate f over g. Well, g in the denominator, we can look at as g to the negative 1 power and multiply by f. So let's write this down. Let's go ahead and differentiate f times this right here, as I said, g, and then let me put parentheses, raised to the negative 1. By doing so, you see we have a Prada here, so we can use the Prada Lu. And we have g inside of a negative 1 power, so we can use the Chen Lu. So let me show you. To continue, Prada Lu in action first. I will keep the first function, namely f, and then we multiply by the derivative of the second. Don't forget to bring the negative 1 in front, so let me put down negative. And the inside stays the same, so we have g. And then subtract 1, so we are going to get negative 2. And then the Chen Lu says, we have to multiply by the derivative inside. The derivative g is just g prime. So this is the first part of the Prada Lu, and then we are going to add. The second part is, I will keep the second function, namely g to the negative 1 power, and we multiply by the derivative of the first. So that's just f prime. So that's pretty much it. And now we'll clean things up to make this look like that. Okay, first of all, look at, we have negative times this times that on the top. So let me just put down negative f times g prime over, this is g to the negative 2 power. We bring that down to the denominator. It becomes g to the positive 2 power. And then right here, we can say add, this right here is f prime on the top. And this right here goes down to the denominator, g to the first power. And now, as you can see, this is g squared, this is just g to the first power. So I can just multiply this by g and g. So you see, they will have the same denominator, and you just get g squared. This right here is negative f times g prime, and we add this right here. If you would like, you can put down g first times f prime. Well, on the top, we can just change the order, so you match that. So in the end, we see that the Quo Chen Lu is what? Don't forget to square the denominator first, and then on the top, let's write this down first, which is the bottom function g times the derivative of the top, which is f prime, and then we minus the top function, which is f, times the derivative of the bottom function, namely g prime. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Lu family, and this is another member of it. Comment down below and let me know if there are any other Lus that you guys want to see. But at the moment, this is it. Hopefully you guys all like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys so much. That's it. Alright, so I think this is pretty much it for today.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah. So if you guys have any more questions, leave comment down below.
Yes, please, and then we'll do it on the next series.
Of course, subscribe to Dr. Payam Show.
Of course, and to Steve, Black Pen, Red Pen.
Yeah. Alright, cool.
Okay.
Alright, see you guys next time.